Hi everyone, this is Cody Morse, and this is my introduction video for AEP 858. So a little bit about myself. I'm 29 years old. I currently reside in Oxford, Kansas. I lived here most of my life other than the few years I went to school in Oklahoma. I currently work as a firefighter EMT for the Winfield Fire Department, so that's why I have this set up on. Prior to working for the Winfield Fire Department in Winfield, Kansas, I was an agricultural education instructor at Arkansas City High School in Arkansas City, Kansas. Taught grades 9 through 12 in a wide range of subjects within the ag industry, ranging from animal science all the way to welding. I did my undergraduate studies at Oklahoma Panhandle State University in Goodwell, Oklahoma. It's a double major there in ag ed and agronomy. I have a handful of associates and certificates through Cali College right here in South Central Kansas as well that cover my fire and EMS side as well as my welding certifications. I will actually be resuming as a teacher this fall in my own high school in Oxford as a part-time woodshop teacher. They're restarting a shop that was closed when I was in high school, so I'm pretty excited about getting to contribute back into that and give back to my own community in that regard. And I am married for the last 5 years now, coming on 5 years next week. And I have 3 kids, the oldest being 2, the newest being 6 weeks, so it is rather busy around my house, to be honest. As far as a critical reflection of data use within I'm going to use my former district because that's what I know best. Within the high school, they were very proactive with collecting and using data to steer and design instructional practices. They use multiple forms, anything from ACT all the way down to data that we collected as individual instructors within our own classrooms. So data was the emphasis, is how I would put it, within my building, and was used quite regularly, especially by administration. That's how they helped to push what they wanted to see in the building, I guess you would say. Show where our weaknesses were, show where our strengths were, what needed improved upon, and we were fortunate enough to have an academic coach that really helped drive the data collection portion, and she was really good about deciphering data for us to use. So yes, I guess you would say that my former district was very proactive, and I appreciate that. As far as critiquing my personal knowledge, I'm not near as strong as what I probably should be. I guess you'd say knowledge is limited at best. I know how to collect what I think I need for a specific lesson or specific unit, and how to make my design changes based off of it. But I don't know how to do that, I guess you would say, at a building or district level. So I need a lot of help in that area. And I need to be a better steward of that data-driven information. I will be the first to admit that while I collected data, once I had deciphered it one time, I more than likely forgot it or lost it. I didn't always keep good track of it, so I need to focus on that. And my proposed plan is obviously using this class to further my knowledge. I mean, it's more than just a degree requirement to attend this course. It's a personal vendetta as well. I need to be more proactive with gathering data. In the line of work that I'm in now, on the fire and EMS side, it is a very data-driven industry as well. So I'm getting better and better each day at using that data that we see every day. On that end, I need to get better, however, in the education side with the teaching and the collection of it. I need to seek more input from those who are more data inclined, instructors and administrators. My former administrators and academic coaches would be an excellent source. And then I need to continue researching different types and sources of data and seeing how that affects my classroom practices and the best way to use it. So that is the conclusion of this video. I appreciate your time. Thank you guys, and have a great semester.